Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who have subscribed and always watch, thanks a lot. Without you, this is not possible. For those of you not subscribed, go on, smash the subscribe button, share this video, as well as hit the bell on the right. You know you want to. Well, postman came today. They brought the delivery package from Amazon. So let's get to it. Let's open this baby up and see what we got inside. Right, so let's see. Let's open it up here and see what we got. Okay, all packaged up. Let's just chuck that one side. And we've got our Acer laptop. Remember guys, I told you in the last video that I purchased an Acer laptop from Amazon. Now, this was supposed to arrive on the 15th of March. It's now, what, the 21st, 24th? The 24th of March? And it's late. But nonetheless, it's here. So let's see what all comes in this box with this little laptop we purchased. So let's just get this off here. Chuck that one side. Okay, let me just get a nice view for you guys. Right, so let's open it up here. Okay, we've got some stickers to cut open. It's still stuck here. Okay. Ooh, oops. Right, so. Well, Amazon service little card. We'll need that. We've got our charging cable and our charging block which connects to the laptop. Now, seeing that this is a US purchase, we need to change this adapter over here, this plug. So if you're going to buy a laptop from Amazon at all, make sure that you either have an adapter available that you can use. I'll just show you. Can you see there is a different plug setting configuration for the US, so it won't work on the SA standard plugs. So what I suggest is, if you're going to buy a laptop from Amazon, make sure that you get yourself an adapter that allows for US to SA conversion. Well, lucky for me, I've got, or I should have, a spare cable that I can use. So let's just put that back in its place. And let's take the laptop itself out. Right, so we've got some more paperwork. Let's just go to the paperwork first. Federal Communications Commission, it's just some documentation. Acer Espire E15 setup guide, we don't need that. And warranty agreement and warranty paperwork for international, so we'll just leave that there. Okay, let's have a look. Let's check this laptop out. Now, this is a 15-inch screen that I've got here. Let's move this to one side. Oh, okay. And let's just get the view right there for you guys. So, as you can see, all nice and new. Core i3 Intel. It's got the 7100U 2.4 gigahertz Intel i3. It's got the 620 HD graphics from Intel, 4 gig of DDR4 memory, and it's got a terabyte hard drive. Now, this is an entry-level machine. It's not something for gaming or anything like that, and this was purchased for my sister. So she needs something to do basic work on, and also watch some videos for now and then, and have her kids play some games on it. So not much in the box, just the cable and the laptop itself. So what we're going to be doing next is we're going to start this thing up and just see how it is. Let's check it out. Let's see if there's any power on here. I don't think there's any power, so we might have to charge it up and plug it in, and I think we'll get back to that once it's charged up. Okay, so while we're waiting for this thing to charge, let's have a look around and see what kind of ports this thing has. It's got the VGA display adapter, it's got the HDMI display adapter. We've also got USB 3 adapters, and we've got, what is this, Type C USB as well. So we can plug a Type C cable in there, and what looks to be Ethernet port. Got an Ethernet port as well. On the side we've got a USB adapter, headphone jack, a power port, as well as a DVD slot. Okay. Now I've got what I like of the Acer laptop is it actually feels like it's brushed aluminium. It's got a nice textured feel to it. Although it is plastic, it looks metal. It looks really premium if you look at it. It is quite a weight, it's not light. What is this? Is a memory card. A memory card reader over here, so you can put in a memory card. Doesn't have a removable battery at all. You have to actually open up the device, unscrew everything to take the battery out, so it doesn't have a removable battery at all. Other than that, there's not much that you can see on the outside. Onto it now. Let's see. Let me just get the angle right for you. Okay, we've got power on it, so let's see. Right, this is the first startup of the Acer Espire E15 laptop. First startup, so let's go through this and see the picture quality and the screen quality, and let's see what's all installed. Does it come with Windows 10? We'll have a look now.
Voice and keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon.
Right, so we have Cortana sitting up here.
Press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region.
Okay, so let's set this PC up and let's get things rolling. So in order to, let's just get in here. I'm going to go through the setup with you guys now. And do we have South Africa listed? There's South Africa. Let's get that. Okay, keyboard layout. We're gonna go for the United Kingdom keyboard layout, which is the closest to the way we have it. No, let's leave that for now. And let's go through the setup. Right, so now we've got the laptop all set up. We've also got the Wi-Fi connected, and we are live on the Wi-Fi network. So let's see, do we need to get any updates? Cortana is the assistant on this device, so we can use Cortana to check things as well. I don't know if any of you are familiar with Cortana, but it's the Microsoft version of Alexa or Google. So let's see what we've got here. Windows 10 is there. Let's see, we've got Excel, we've got Word installed, we've got Office installed. 2016 Office, not bad for out of the box. This laptop did come with a dead battery, so you need to plug it in and charge it for you to use it in the first place. So if you are purchasing from Amazon, be sure to have your adapter or additional cable at hand, because otherwise you can't fire up this laptop. Okay, everything looks fine there. I just want to get into the settings and check. Let's have a look and see if there's any updates available. check for updates. Okay, so while that's checking for updates, let's go through and see what else we've got running here. There's no notifications. Okay, so the keyboard is actually backlit, and that does turn off if you're not utilizing it, so which makes it good for night use. If you're not in full daylight or don't have a lot of light, the backlit keyboard does come in handy, and it will actually be really helpful. It's one of the features of this laptop. As you can see, it just went off now, so if I just tap on any key, it comes back up and we have the backlit back there. So looking at the keyboard and the device itself, the trackpad feels really nice. It's very responsive. Doesn't take much to get the mouse moving. Okay, if you pinch out and you get what you've currently got rolling. You've got your right click and left click on either side. Okay, let's see what else. Keyboard is nice. Even the whole finish along the edges looks brushed aluminium, but it's actually plastic, which makes this laptop look very high end, but it's not really that high end as you would think it is because of the look. I'm gonna bring this laptop up closer and maybe you can see it does look like it's brushed aluminium, but it's not. It's actually plastic. And the trackpad feels very nice. I like the little surround here, the chrome surround. Makes it look all nice and really posh and premium feel to it. Right, let's take Cortana for a test drive. Let's see what happens when we ask us to open up a program. Open Word. She's thinking.
Alright, which word do you want to open? Word 2016 or WordPad?
Word 2016. She's thinking about it. Let's see if she actually opens up Word 2016. Let's see.
Okay, starting Word 2016.
Oh, there we go. She actually opens Word. Okay, so we're not going to go through the setup. We're just going to close it off. Right, let's see what else can Cortana do. Download Chrome browser. Let's see if she can do that. Hey, what do you know? She actually opened up looking for Chrome browser. This is awesome. I absolutely love technology. Let's download Chrome for desktop and let's set that up on the laptop as well. Okay, is our downloads completed? Let's have a look and see if our downloads has completed, our updates have completed. No, still downloading updates. Okay. Let's leave it to update. Let's download Chrome browser. Accept and install, because I am not a fan of. Right, so as you can see, Cortana has actually downloaded Chrome browser. So let's just close the Microsoft one, and we're going to make this our default browser. So let's open Windows settings. Default apps. I don't want Edge as my default browser. I'm going to make it Chrome. Switch anyway. So I've made that my default browser. I'm going to close off that as well. I'm going to continue here. I'll just pin Chrome to the taskbar. It's pinned. Let's continue. And that's that. We are done. We've installed Chrome browser. Right. That's all sorted out. Let's just clear that from here. We don't need that at the moment. I'm not going to bore you guys further with any of the other installation details, as well as going through installing it. I showed you Cortana, how Cortana works. You can ask a question, she responds. She's actually able to open up a download page and download the requested application. She can open up application on your PC. We just need to see if she can actually dictate or take down dictation when you open up Word, but that's for another time. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one, because in the next one I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winner. It is the very first winner, or the very first giveaway we're doing on this channel, and I'd like to give a shout out to CB Suppliers, who supplied me with my apparel. As you can see, I'm wearing the Mo's Reviews cap. I've also got a Mo's Reviews t-shirt, and this was all done by CB Suppliers. So guys, thanks, big ups to you for supplying me with the apparel, the branded merch. And one of you lucky subscribers out there will be getting a Mo's Reviews limited edition cap for yourself. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and share this video. And in the next one I'm going to be announcing the winner. So stay tuned to this channel, stay tuned for the next video, which will be dropping tomorrow. Yeah, you will find out who the winner is in tomorrow's video. Much love, peace.